Part 2 of the PTC703 PYE Telecoms base station, and there is a PTC411 controller which would be at on the sergeant's desk, etc., and that is my interpretation of that picture, my PTC411 controller, and that PTC411 controller would go to this tray on the bottom of the PTC703 base station. That is that tray there, and that would control the base station's transmit receive functions, etc., etc., from the switches here on and off, and the base station would just stay in standby mode on the hilltop site. This is a rather dirty example of a PTC703 base station. As you can see, though, the advantage is that it is complete inside. This is the receiver. Transformer capacitors on the one side, and the RF front end here with the IF cans, etc., etc. Rather nice old large speaker in the background there, and audio valve output, and also changeover relay, GPO style changeover relay at the back. Just put that back in there, and what we have is a meter with a test position on it for various indications of HT and LT, which is down here. So the picture is not too bright there. There it is, with the measurements of the LT and HT on the transmitter. This is the transmitter, with a switch for transmit there, although that's likely to be used by taking the handset and pressing the push to talk on the top of the handset, or on the other type of remote controller. So, as I said, this is the transmitter chassis beneath. A nice pair of modulation valves hiding in the background there. And nice hefty mains transformer, very hefty mains transformer. And paper capacitor. And a modulation transformer, of course, at the back here. And there is the PA valve itself. So this will probably give between 10 and 15 watts out as push. And the rectifier is there, that silver valve that's hiding in the corner there. So that is a quick look round the PTC703 transmitter chassis. And underneath the transmitter chassis is the unit that was used there, the remote control panel, the RCP, that would allow the remote control of the base station via GPO lines, DC switching, no doubt. Whilst I have the transmitter chassis out, I'll reverse the video back. There is the frequency plat plug and the PYE plug output, various external connections there on it, and the tapping of the transformer for the correct voltage, etc., etc., and fuses. That's like the better view of the butterfly capacitor there, which is the PA tuning onto the anodes of the PA, and that would have a fair few hundred volts on it, so keep your fingers out of there.